Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Currently Sydney, I've got this Porsche 996 with the Sunvisor here that's not working because they're broken here. They're broken off. The light still works in the middle, but the actual Sunvisor lid is broken. So I've just done one on this side here. I've done one here already, so that's the one that I put in already. So now the light works. So you can see about there start turning on and about there start turning off. So you can buy these little kits here. You can buy them and then do it yourself, and I'll show you how to do it. It's very tight to put in because of the corners here, but all you gotta do is I'll show you what you're supposed to do. See here, that little part there, you can push it as hard as you can and you actually pop it in, or you can take out the actual, you can pop this part off if you want to. You can pop that part off if you want to, and then sort of push it hard as you can in, and it will just pop in. But sometimes you can break the mirror, vanity mirror there, that one there. So you don't want that. So the easiest way to do is just file off 1 mil on that side there, and file off 1 mil on that side there, maybe one mil each, and then you just pop it back in straight away. I'll show you on the other side. So I've got my file there. Just put the file like this, don't get scared, and then just file that way, 1 mil, all right, on both sides, and then you just push it straight in, and it goes in easier that way. Because once it goes in, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to sit there on both sides, and everything will work. All right. I'm putting all the parts that I actually fix on 996s and Porsche and whatever I do on my online shop. I'm still building it. I'm doing all my shock absorbers and exhaust and all that stuff, and I'll be putting kits for major jobs like this. Jobs like this, I can put a kit in there, so when you buy it to do the job, everything's in there. You don't have to worry about ringing up and then find out what you need. All right, but this is the one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna modify this one here same way and push it in. As you can tell, it's already done, so you don't have to buy the whole sun visor complete. You just buy these little kits here, and I'm trying my best to sell everything now on my online shop because it's so hard to actually find things on the internet, and most of the time you buy it, it doesn't fit, or it's just really hard. At least you're buying it from me, you can see, and before you buy it, you see the video, and then we'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.